What if machines could talk directly to your brain? In a historic breakthrough, scientists at Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the University of Zurich have created artificial neurons, microscopic circuits that behave just like real brain cells. These synthetic neurons don't just imitate the brain. They send and receive electrical signals identical to human neural activity, and for the first time ever, they've been connected to living tissue. That means machines can now communicate directly with biological cells. The impact? Revolutionary. This technology could one day bypass damaged parts of the nervous system, offering hope for conditions like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and spinal cord injuries. Imagine restoring lost movement, recovering sensation, or repairing brain damage once thought permanent. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the dawn of biodigital intelligence, where the human brain and machines work as one. The future of neural implants and AI-powered prosthetics has officially begun, and we're just getting started.